Like everyone's talking about Bitcoin and Doge this, Ethereum that, but you have no idea where to even begin. Well, friend, fear not. Crypto can be intimidating at first, but with the right tools and a little guidance, you can be well on your way to joining the digital currency revolution. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto wallets, specifically Newton Wallet. If you're looking for a user-friendly platform to buy, sell, and store your cryptocurrency, Newton might be the perfect fit. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, buckle up and get ready to open your very own Newton Wallet. Why Newton? Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why Newton might be a good choice for you. Firstly, Newton is designed with Canadians in mind. They offer a smooth and secure platform for buying and selling crypto using Canadian dollars, CAD. This eliminates the need for complex currency conversions, making it a breeze for beginners. Secondly, Newton boasts a user-friendly interface. No crazy charts or overwhelming jargon, just a simple and straightforward layout that lets you focus on what matters, buying and managing your crypto. Plus, their fees are some of the most competitive out there, so you won't get nickel and dimed when making your trades. Opening your Newton Wallet, step by step. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's how to open your very own Newton Wallet. Step 1. Head to the Newton website. The first thing you need to do is visit the Newton website. You can find it with a quick Google search for Newton Crypto. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a clean and informative homepage. Look for the bright green Get Started button, and that's your gateway to your crypto future. Step 2. Create your account. Clicking the Get Started button will take you to the Sign Up page. Here, you'll need to enter some basic information like your email address, password, make sure it's strong, and a few details about yourself. Nothing too crazy, just the usual stuff. Step 3. Verification is key. Once you've filled out the form, Newton will send you a verification email. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. So, find that email, click the verification link, and voila! You're halfway there. Step 4. Security first. Security is paramount in the crypto world, and Newton takes it seriously. After verifying your email, you'll be prompted to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Think of it like a double lock on your virtual crypto vault. Don't skip this step. Step 5. Funding your Newton Wallet. Now that your account is all set up and secure, it's time to fund your wallet. Newton offers a couple of convenient options. You can link your Canadian bank account and use Interac e-Transfer to deposit CAD instantly. Alternatively, you can choose to deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet. Step 6. Explore the cryptoverse. Congratulations! You've officially opened your Newton Wallet and are ready to explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Browse through the available cryptocurrencies, research the ones that pique your interest, and start making your first crypto purchases. Bonus tip: knowledge is power. The crypto market can be volatile, so it's always wise to do your own research before investing. Read articles, watch tutorials, and learn as much as you can before putting your hard-earned money into any cryptocurrency. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.